Hello guys, my name is Saikat and welcome back to the channel Alive with Motorcycling. Today I have a new thing to unbox. Actually it's about my GorillaPod. Previously I was using this GorillaPod. This is an inexpensive GorillaPod which I ordered from Amazon like 2 years ago. It cost me around 400 or 500 rupees. But the problem is that it's kind of pretty old and the legs doesn't hold the weight of this camera anymore, and if I try and bend this, sometimes this happens, which is pretty unsafe if I'm using this GorillaPod and this camera and trying to adjust it on a railing or so to get a time lapse or something. So it can prove fatal for this camera. So that is why I ordered this Joby 3K Gorilla tripod. So this new tripod, I ordered it from iamastudent.com. This is a new website which I came across searching online for camera accessories, and I found this one pretty cheap compared to amazon.com. In Amazon this was priced at rupees 6,400 or 500, and in iamastudent.com I got it for like 5,000 something after applying discount. So I got a discount at around 1,200 or 1,400 rupees. Talking about Joby GorillaPods, it is very renowned brand when it comes to GorillaPod. As you have seen, many vloggers are using Joby GorillaPods from past couple of years. So I thought of giving it a try. Like, it's better to not to invest in these cheap ones and invest for once in a good brand and which can serve me for 4-5 years. So let's unbox this thing. For packaging, I would say it is very neatly packed. From any angle you see, it is well packed with this protective, what do I call it, thermocols. So let's just tear it apart and see what's inside. So this is the new tripod. Let's just open and see what's inside this thing. That was a task. Oh boy. It is a Joby 3K kit, and talking about its features, it has ABS, flexible wrapping legs, rubberized ring and foot grips, and the most importantly, removable ball head and rotule amovable, whatever that means. So let's open it up. Some manual. This is the tripod. First hand experience, if I have to compare this to the way it holds in my hand, I mean the rubberized feel and everything is 10 times or 20 times better than this one. Obviously there is a cost factor involved. This one costs around 10 times than this one, so it is what it is, and it's little heavy. It's good that it is little heavy for that reason, that it feels premium, and the base being heavy will be much more capable of holding a heavy camera like this one or any other camera. These are the legs, and these are smooth and also sturdy at the same time. It feels a lot snuggier than my previous one. And this is the ball head, so I can place it anywhere, and if I unscrew this thing, I can rotate it in any movement and fix it. And the most important thing which I like is this quick release, so I can attach this to my camera. I never have to open it, and I'll just have to fix it up like this. quick release is an important thing so that we don't have to unscrew this whole tripod from the camera and then again screw it every time we need to use both this setup. Another thing I would like to talk about this GorillaPod is that I can unscrew this whole ball head and use this tripod like this one, but I'll never do that. This ball head is another reason for me to buy this tripod, so I better put it back as it was. I'm using a Canon IX-US point and shoot right now, so audio and video will both be a little downgrade, but if I have to show these two things, I can't use this camera. Now I'll open this quick release, attach this to my camera. I'll just have to use this thing and slide it over. Yup. Okay, so I'll have to tighten it a little bit, and this is my new vlogging setup. Back to my old camera. Initially I was a little dicey about buying this thing because it's a 3K model. There is another model which is Joby 5K, which is little better and double the cost of this model. So I went for this one, keeping the cost factor in my mind, but now I'm quite satisfied with its performance and how it can take the weight of this camera. But the problem is that that's it for today, guys. This red and black setup of this camera looks pretty dope, which is right there in front of me. I mean, the camera is black, the GorillaPod is black, the ball head being red just adds to that flavor of this this whole setup. And that's it, guys. That's it for today. I'll see you in another vlog. Till then, bye bye.